Hey guys, Mayank here from Casting Corner. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with the videos because I know I haven't posted any of season 2 yet, and I said season 2 is coming out June 2022, right there for you. Something like that with a rhyme that I did. I'm sorry. This is also an update and also a little plea. So here's what happened. A, I had to reschedule a couple of things because of people's work schedules and because of bookings of my own. Fun. B, my camera and my editor and my camera person ended up booking stuff. So they're not available to shoot these. And so I had to postpone and push some of the interviews out. And then some of the people's casting schedules got messed up. So I have some recorded. They're not edited. I'm going to post them, but I don't want to start posting until I record more. So basically, if anybody knows anyone that's good with editing or has some cameras, like a 2-shot setup or maybe 3 cameras, nothing fancy. It could even be like 3 iPhones. Honestly, it could be my iPhone and 2 other iPhones or 1 other iPhone just to have it set up to record super easy. And, it's an opportunity for you to, kind of meet the casting people if you want, and also get to know them in an outside of the audition room sort of scenario. Meet all the casting people and meet them in a non-audition type setting, kind of get to know them, kind of have hang out with them for a few hours, very like relaxed, comfortable, like this is me as a person, and this is how funny I am, this is how cool I am, this is how whatever you want to do. Don't make it weird though. Don't make it weird. I can't pay for these, unfortunately. I'm not making any money off of this, so I'm just posting them for you guys to learn. So I can't pay, but I can provide you with the opportunity to meet, get to know me, and get to know the other casting person in the room if you want to be the person that's recording, or if you know somebody that has the equipment that would be interested in that, probably an actor or somebody that wants to work on their, filming experience, and also an editor person that wants to work on their editing reel. Again, I can't pay for that either, but I can provide you with snacks. And good time, and they're pretty fun. And my people that did it before had a great experience. But yeah, and also if I get up to 1,000 subscribers, subscribe, please subscribe. Everyone subscribe, or if send to your friends to subscribe. Then I will start making some money on this, and then I can pay for an editor and pay for all that kind of stuff. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I know I'm posting other videos too of like my luxury design fashion stuff, and I know that might have deterred some of you and had some of you guys either like unsubscribe or turn off the notifications. I'm sorry, I told you I have more than one interest, and I really like posting those videos too, and those I can do myself. Those also take a lot of time to edit, but I'm doing them myself. Also looking for somebody to edit that, so if you know somebody that would like to edit those, great. I have a bunch of footage already set up to film just to edit it. But back to the casting thing. So if you're interested in doing that, or if you know someone that's interested in doing that, DM me or leave a comment on this video. You can DM me on Instagram or email me or message me if you have my contact info. All my socials are just my name, Mayank Butter, at Mayank Butter for YouTube, at Mayank Butter for Instagram, at Mayank Butter for TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. All those things. My TikTok is a whole other world of different things. Okay, so this is a really long update video, but you guys, Casting Corner Season 2 is coming to you soon. I promise. Please stick around with me and you guys will get it. And also, if you have any questions, please let me know, because I am literally running out of questions. So if you have any questions you want to be answered, asked, any offices you want to hear from, any specific questions you have, please let me know. Leave them in the comments below, DM me, whatever you need to do. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for being loyal fans. I appreciate you guys so much. And I will be posting them soon if I can get somebody to help me edit these ASAP and film them. Thank you guys.